I'm here at the Jamestown Distributors Workshop in Bristol, Rhode Island. Today, TJ is going to replace the old float switch on the 1970 Seacraft with Rule's new mercury-free float switch. Take a look at this video to see how he does it. First, TJ removed the old float switch. In order to access the fasteners, TJ also had to remove the mounting bracket. Next, he mounted the new float switch with the new fasteners to the bracket. Then he coated the screw threads with 3M 4200 and installed them. Next, he remounted the switch and bracket. TJ then spliced one of the gray float switch wires to the positive brown wire and switch panel wire. Last, he spliced the remaining gray float switch wire to an inline fuse and connected it to the battery. Rule's mercury-free Float-O-Matic Plus float switch and everything else you've seen in this video can be found on our website at JamestownDistributors.com.